Yesterday, we did classes, objects, and methods. So today, we are going to cover inheritance, encapsulation, and polymorphism. We will create a file inheritance.php. As usual, we start the PHP structure. Then here, we define what is inheritance. We usually talk of reusing code from another class. Encapsulation, data protection inside a class. Polymorphism, here we talk of one method but has many forms. So we start with inheritance. In inheritance, here we talk of object inheriting the properties that belongs to a class. It helps in reducing code repetition and improves organization. So we start an example. We start with class laptop. Laptop has properties. Those are some properties of a laptop. Also, a laptop has function. Brick, function, turn on. Echo, this access brand laptop is turning on, and I'll break. We have defined our class laptop. This is the parent class. So after creating the parent class, now we are supposed to create the child class. For this child class, we will call it class gaming laptop. We will use a keyword extends laptop. This means the gaming laptop, so it's inheriting the properties and the methods of the parent class. We will now give this child its own properties and methods. Public function show specs. Echo brand, this brand. Echo this RAM GB. Then we break. Remember this brand, this RAM, they are properties from the parent. Echo graphics card, this graphics card. Then after that, we will come now to start creating objects of child class. I shall call it gaming laptop equals new gaming laptop. Gaming laptop access brand equals Asus. Then gaming laptop access RAM equals to 16. Gaming laptop access graphics card equals to NVIDIA RTX 3060. Then after that, we call the class parent and the class child. Gaming laptop access this method turn on. This is from parent class. Access show specs, which is from child class. And we are through. Then after there, we check on what we will be having. So we are expecting to see an output. So the Asus laptop is turning on. Then whenever we call show specs, it's supposed to show us these ones here. So this brand is here. This RAM is here. And this graphics card, it's here. You can see. Let us go now to encapsulation. By encapsulation, we mean hiding internal data from direct access and only allowing control through methods. I have an example. Class bank account. We will give a private property, private variable balance to start as 0. You cannot access it unless you are inside bank account because it's private. After we protect them from direct access, we are now only control through methods. So by method, we use public. So here we will create public method to deposit money. Public function deposit. We will put amount. This balance plus equals amount. We increment. We come to the next function to check balance. Public function get balance. Return this balance. Return access this balance. Getter method And this one, say free, returns the balance instead of letting access balance directory. We are through with that class. Outside the class, this is where we come to create the object account equals new bank account. Account access deposit. The object has its own balance. Echo, your balance is account access get balance. Now we are expecting deposit amount. After depositing that amount, you add the balance. What was the current balance? You add to that amount. Go to browser. Your balance is 5,000. So let us go to the last one. We call it polymorphism. This one means different classes can have methods with same name but different behavior. We start with our class animal. Public function make sound. We echo some generic animal sounds. So we'll have those animals as our child class. Class dog extends animal. This dog makes sound, so it will be having public function make sound echo woof. Then we are through with that child class. We come to another class. Class cat extends animal. And also this cat has a public function makes sound echo meow. So already we have three classes. The parent class is animal. Dog and cat, they are child classes. Now we come to create objects. Here we will use what we call an array and arrange them. New dog, new cat, comma, and new animal. For each animal as variable a. So variable a access make sound. If you check here, this variable a, I want it to call all versions of animals. Variable a access make sound. With that, I will have called all these three classes. So we can go to browser and check.